All right, we're here in the garage tonight, Saturday night, and we are introducing the new rig to the fleet, a Trx4 chassis kit. I went ahead and picked me up the 1970 Blazer body. Real curious on what I'm gonna do for a paint. I'm almost thinking the sky blue body with a white top. Just haven't figured it out yet. All right, guys. Let's get this thing open. Need a fancy knife. Ooh, hear everything jiggling around in there. All right, you're with me. Wow. That's what I got there. Pretty excited. This is going to be very interesting. We'll see how long it takes. Wow.